Hey everybody, I'm here to do a quick unboxing and review of the 1" by 30" belt sander from Harbor Freight. The Central Machinery 1 x 30" belt sander. I'm working on a sculpture that I need to get in these little tight spaces and do a whole bunch of pretty heavy sanding, and so I'm going to see if this will do the job with this piece. Alright, let's open it up. Got a handle, and there's the work surface. Ta-da! So it's got a dust port there, and on-off switch. Oh, nice. The on-off switch has got a rubber cover on it to keep the dust and the filth out. It's a reasonable weight. Comes with a belt pre-installed. Unlike all of the sanders that I used when I was in school, this has got guards all the way around, which, you know, is generally it's good. I'm a big fan of guards, but sometimes it's nice to have a little bit of freedom to use other sanding surfaces like here. Yeah, it's kind of covered in oil and lubricants. I'm no stranger to grease and greasy tools, but in my wood shop I really don't want things to have grease on them. Oh, this is super oily. The handle for the work table comes with a bolt and 2 washers, a flat washer and a toothed washer. But the flat washer is not mentioned in the instructions, so I'll just have to figure out where that goes. This handle is designed to be adjustable, but it's kind of annoying right now for putting it together. I've got to spring it off of the tooth part of the shaft and then screw it in. I put the flat washer right here between the body of the sander and this loop on the underside of the work table here. And then the spiked washer is here between that work table loop and the shaft of this adjusting lever. It seems like it's the right way to do it. It comes with one 40 grit belt on here, and then I bought some extra ones. I bought a 5-pack of 120 grit, I bought some more 80 grit, and then I also got a pack of 40 grit. This is just a pack of 2, but I really want to do some heavy hogging on this project, so I figured these might come in handy. What's that? You're not just interested in belt sanders, you like good design and merchandise as well? Luckily for you, I've got merch. Check it out. This is my own design. It's a reminder to act now. Be bold and don't burn everything down at once. Some people don't agree with that last part, but I think you should only burn down some stuff. You can find all the merch in the merch shelf right down below this video. You can see all the images of the different products, and I'll put a link in the video description. And there are lots of color choices, both men's and women's styles. The sander's got a dust port on the right side here, which is a huge advantage of having the guards, is you can keep the dust contained. I hate it when I get fine dust all over everything. I happen to have this adapter for my shop vac. Let's see if it fits. Nope. Maybe the hose will fit in by itself. Nope. Well, my shop vac hose doesn't fit in securely, but I guess I'll use it that way for now. Alright, let's see how it sounds. I have to say, it's remarkably quiet. For a relatively inexpensive tool, I expected it to rattle and make a bunch of noise. So, I'm pretty happy with that so far. Let's see how the sanding goes. I'm pretty impressed so far. It seems to be working great. I'm going to change the sanding belt to the 40 grit and we'll see how that goes. Here's the 80 grit belt that came with it that I took off. It's a pretty serious belt. This is 40 grit. Look at this sucker. That is one mean sanding belt. Some belts do have a direction of travel, so take a look, and if there are arrows there, make sure they're going in the right direction, which would be down toward the work table. I'm going to turn it on and then adjust the belt tracking to make sure it's centered. This is just the first day of me using this, but all in all, I'd say it's pretty great. I think it's a nice tool. The price is right. It's about half the price of the name brand ones that I saw other places. I think it's great. We'll see how it lasts the test of time, but no complaints. I would highly recommend this tool.